welcome. Here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button, so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and pick settings so we can open them. And here we have to slide a little bit to find volume buttons function. When we tap on it, we can decide between shutter, which is now shutter countdown, zoom, and volume. So let me pick now zoom, for example, to show you how it works different. Let's move back to camera, and now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject now, and also move back by tapping on volume buttons so I can use zoom. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.